Greetings, folks. Here is our assignment for 423. I have already loaded my Cami, and you can see that there are 3 blue links to click. So let's get a crack-a-lackin', all right? I have, as you can see up top, right? Here's my Cami, a link, or a blue link, a blue link, and a blue link. So let's look at our Cami, all right? So first page, as usual, this is our bell work. It says write out and translate in your quaderno. So our first one, do you live in a mansion? If we look at these, it's going to be really important that we have our Q's and A's from our blue stuff written down. That sort of stuff will be, I think, supremely important because you can draw from it and take little pieces. So the do you live is actually going to just be one word. All right. And then the living room is over there. Over there is one word. To say there are 17 bedrooms, there is or there are comes from the last unit we did with cost. We learned that word in cost, and 17. You can use any word for bedroom you choose. And then where, we just learned where. And then dining room. Okay. So, this one will be interesting, and we'll probably go over it in class. Okay, so just make sure that you're really paying attention to those Q's and A's. All right. Okie dokie. So let's scroll on down. So we've got C, D, and E. So it looks like we're doing so much today, but it's mostly about following the instructions and paying attention. And we're really kind of working out, like getting really, really familiar with our vocab today and making sure we understand our vocab. So C says write out the word in Espanol and then write out the corresponding word in Inglés. So let's look at our image. Write out the word in Espanol and then write out the corresponding word in Inglés. So you have comedor, and then is that a bedroom, a kitchen, or a dining room? So you'd write out comedor and then the word that goes with it. Cocina, the word that goes with it. Cuarto, the word that goes with it. Baño, the word that goes with it. And sala, the word that goes with it. Because you have 5 of these, and then you have 5 of these, you're going to have 5 plus 5, which equals 10 things total. Okay? Or maybe it's 10 things total. All right? That's activity C. I'm going to click out of that. Activity D. Let's look at this. Write out the word or phrase. Then write out in Espanol in which room or place you would find each thing. Okay? So word or phrase, then which room or place you would find the thing. So dining table, where would you find a dining room table? Where do you find a refrigerator? Where's a logical place to find an alarm clock? Where would you find a piano? Okay, where's a logical place to put a piano? Where do you keep a shower? Let me move myself real quick. Where do we keep a stove, a sofa, a tablecloth? That's an interesting one. Where do we keep a toilet? And where do we keep a dresser? So as you can see, there may be a couple of repeats here, like with maybe toilet and shower, or with like stove and refrigerator, dining table and tablecloth, dresser and alarm clock. There may be a couple of repeats, okay? And that's totally fine. Just not like all of them are going to be in the exact same room. Okay. So, couple of repeats. Okay. All of them the same. Not okay. So, there's that one. So because we have 10 items to list out and 10 places, 10 plus 10 is going to give us 20 items. 20 items. Okay? That's going to be for D. All right, E. Write out each description, then identify in Espanol where you would be for each place. Okay, so we're going to write out the description and then identify where you would be. Okay, so here's our description. A place to sleep while camping. A renter's residence in a building. A homeowner's residence. A millionaire's residence. Hey, y'all. Or your place to park your car at home. Love it. The yard. Totally the yard. It's not the yard, number 5, guys. It's not the yard. So you're going to write out these phrases. That's 5 things to write out. And then whatever this place is. That's another 5 things to write out. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Or 10. Okay? So here's our 1 through 5. That's C. And then we had 10 for D. And then we had 5 for E. So you would, like for these, you would just write like, you would write them next to each other, like refrigerator. And then where do you find a refrigerator? A lamp. And then where do you find a lamp? I mean, lamp I don't think was one of them. So anywho, if you guys have questions, let me know. I love you guys and I'll see you soon. All right. Love you. Bye.